Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to tell you about what you need to do when you have just installed a Riot. What do many people do when they have just installed a Riot or launched it through Live City? They begin to have so-called claustrophobia, that is, it seems that they are trapped in something incomprehensible. They lack something all the time, some programs, and the first thing they start doing is this. Just a second, and they begin to introduce any nonsense into Google, like download software for Riot for free, and no one even thinks to go to the website of the rebellion just to read by them, or simply, they are even just lazy. They start trying to set up a Counter-Strike, some other crap. Naturally, they don't know anything about Vine, and about repositories for example, and even more so, about the percentages of applications in general. So, after you have installed Ubuntu, first of all pay attention to the dock. Launch the application center at Ubuntu. Right here what you are looking for. Let's say Farfetch. Yes, you see FanFox. All sorts of gadgets, yes. Even here is a flash player. The player, yes. Here you click here, more details. And here I have it already installed, right? Here, if it is not installed, there will be an install button. From below, you can read reviews about this program and also from any other program itself. There is a lot of software here. And so, we click Edit, Application Sources. We can add other application sources. Let's say yes. I have some disabled here, some added. Let's say Google Chrome, and a couple of other programs here. I will tell you the sources of applications, that is, repositories separately. Well, that is, there are native repositories here. You can also add third-party ones. There are a lot of different software. And there are game repositories. I don't know there for any software. After you have installed the program, it will not always appear in the dot. You open the main menu, right, for example, Fox. Yes, launching the Farfetch. That is, everything is quite simple. Now let's look at the menu itself. Let's say, we want to find programs in general what they are. Here we have what appears, recently used, installed, and well, available for download here. There are all kinds of games here. That is, this is a recommended program. And here are all the installed programs here. Yes, we can open them, look at them, and we can filter the results. Let's say games. Let's see what games we have. Well, of course, it shows which ones can still be installed. If you click here, there are a lot of them. Multimedia. Here, installed, recently used multimedia, scientific. So well, in a scientific way, nothing is shown at all. So, Office, System, Standard and so on and so on. For example, the Internet, Skype, everything like that. Fonts. Well, you can, by the way, put the program and uncoupling. We will put 5. Well, I think everything is clear. Everything is simple.